we visited Cuba, a country that intrigues the world. It's frozen in time by decades of communism, yet bursting with soul, color and life. In this video, we'll be diving into the local street food, meeting the people, and yes, doing the most touristy things there is to do in Havana. But first, let's kick things off with a strong Cuban coffee.
Hola. Hola. Un cafecito, por favor.
Cigarro a 30.
Gracias.
Mira, papá.
Ah, gracias. Un cafecito, a little coffee to start the morning at somebody's house. It was 25 pesos. They even know how much that is. I think it's like maybe less than 10 cents. Okay, gracias.
Happy approves the coffee.
Pan con lechón.
Pan con lechón, amigo.
Nice.
350.
¿Ah? Un euro.
350.
Sí, $1.
Medio.
$1.
Although most things in Cuba are owned by the government, small private businesses are now allowed, so you can support local families, not just the state.
Buenísimo.
Pork sandwich.
Apart from the lechon, another thing that you need to try in Cuba is pizza. Bear in mind that there is food shortages and rationing, so ingredients are limited.
It's a very basic pizza, just a bit of cheese, a little bit of tomato, and that's it. It's alright. It's not like pizza.
It's
Very
good enough.
basic pizza. Very nice.
Portugal.
The Cubans are very friendly. You'll get stopped all the time for a bit of a chat. And despite what you might hear, it's actually one of the safest countries in the Americas.
Brasil. No, portugués. Padre, Lisboa. Mejor del mundo, Cristiano.
Sí.
Ronaldo, futbolista, mejor del mundo, muy bueno.
Muy bueno. Toma, la próxima. Sin apuros, ¿ok? Por supuesto, amigo.
We got that alright.
This is the moment. We were finally doing Cuba's most iconic experience.
Hola, buen día.
Podían esperar a las 11, no hay problema. Yo siempre vengo antes.
Meet our guide, Juan. He used to be a nurse, earning just $17 a month. Now he drives vintage cars to make a better living. And the sad part is that he doesn't actually own this car. He keeps only 25% of what he earns. And if you are wondering about the cost of these classic cars, well, they ain't cheap. Prices range from $15,000 to $50,000 depending on how well they are restored. They don't have it easy here in Cuba.
And we start our tour in these vintage cars. It's the number one thing to do here in Havana. Pink one. La Rosa.
Chevrolet del año 52.
Chevrolet.
Chevrolet del año 52.
Del año 52.
Tiene motor original todavía.
Tenemos
¿Serio?
una gira.
Después te lo voy a enseñar.
So it's a
Buen
Chevy
mecánico.
from the 1950s. The engine is still original, he says.
Cilindro line.
You probably already know this, but Cuba has a ton of vintage cars. mostly American classics from the 1950s and 60s. After the revolution, car imports were banned, so locals have kept these iconic rides alive. It's like something straight out of a mafia movie, if the car wasn't bright pink. Definitely not what we would expect in a classic gangster movie.
Esto es un hotel de gratis.
Un hotel.
Hotel de gratis.
¿De gratis?
Porque duermes de gratis, comes de gratis.
Ah,
tomas
ok.
agua de
Ah,
gratis.
esa prisión.
Una estación de policía.
I wouldn't want to stay in one of those hotels.
No, not really.
Y temos o Capitol, aquí a
Ahora
izquierda.
el Capitolio viene siendo el Parlamento de Cuba y es museo. Antiguamente era Palacio de Gobierno y fue inaugurado en el año 1929.
É muito parecido com o de
Año
Washington.
sí,
Washington,
exactamente.
sim.
Lo que este tiene 2 metros más alto que el de Washington DC.
É mais alto, 2 metros.
Y en la cúpula tiene oro 24 quilates.
Sério?
Sí, lo
Oro.
amarillo es oro 24 quilates donado por los rusos
Oh, ok.
después de la cúpula.
Los comrades russos. Os... El Capitol, Cristiana. Ah, vai com o chino. Sim.
Sin chino.
Es el único barrio chino del mundo que no tiene chino. Los chinos venían huyéndole a Mao Zedong,
Ah,
un presidente comunista chino.
Sim.
Pero cuando ven el comunismo de Fidel Castro, los chinos no querían comunismo.
sí.
So we are inside a Chinatown without any Chinese. This is the only Chinatown that apparently,
Well, that doesn't have any Chinese people.
all Chinese businesses. Only locals. Cuba is very diverse.
En este parque se hizo la película de Rápido y Furioso.
Oh, sí.
Ah, sim, sim.
Fue acá.
Tinha estado a ver ontem
Aquí
o...
fue donde hacían la exposición de todos los carros y donde empiezan los 7 primeros minutos de la película.
Sí,
Fue
sí.
aquí.
¿Tú lo viste aquí?
Sí. Muchos carros, estuvo Vin Diesel, los actores de la película.
So Fast and Furious was recorded here in this square. Actually, yesterday I was telling the guy that I was rewatching the movie. It feels that we are in a 50s movie.
Vamos allá, ven. Para hacerle la historia de la plaza. Bueno, la plaza antiguamente se llamaba Plaza Cívica. Fidel Castro después le pone la Plaza de la Revolución, porque acá Fidel Castro daba sus grandes meetings de 5 horas, 6 horas al pueblo, y acá se reunía más de 1 millón de personas hablando Fidel frente a José Martí, nuestro héroe nacional. José Martí escribió un verso que lo llevaron después a la trova, que es la famosa trova llamada la Guantanamera. Guantanamera es un poema de José Martí. Eso es un mirador de los 4 puntos cardinales de La Habana. ¿Sí? Y detrás está la oficina del presidente actual, pero trabajó atrás Fidel Castro, Raúl Castro el hermano, y actualmente presidente trabaja atrás. Pero antiguamente Fidel Castro era comandante en jefe, no era presidente. Él dijo que nunca era presidente, él decía que él era comandante en jefe. Hace 5 kilómetros por litro.
¿Cuántos kilómetros
Cada
tenía los carros?
Ponle 2-3 millones de kilómetros. Tiene 73 años el coche.
73. Ah, lá buzinas. As buzinas aqui. Tem 6 velas? 6, 1, 2, 3.
Sí, 6 cilindros son 6 bujías. Pero consume mucha gasolina.
Gasolina. O filtro,
El filtro este se llama cucharita, tiene sucio, muy sucio.
Sim, sim, tem que ser limpo.
Aceite. Y esto es embajada de Corea del Norte.
Coreia do Norte, a embaixada. North Korea's embassy.
Corea del Norte. Oh.
North Korea's embassy.
Juan then took us to a rum and cigar shop where we met Jose Castelar Cueto, the man behind the longest cigar in the world, 90 meters long. It was specially made for Fidel Castro's 90th birthday. As our tour came to an end, Juan took us to a stunning viewpoint where we could see Che Guevara's house, which is right next to Christ of Havana. From up there, we were treated to some of the best views of the city. We originally booked 1 hour tour, but ended up doing 2. It was worth it. We paid 40 euros for the 2 hours and gave Juan a generous tip for showing us around.
Obrigado, né? Obrigado.
Rufina.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias. Juan.
Cualquier cosa, pueden llamarme, preguntar cualquier cosa. Si quieren hacer otra cosa, me lo preguntan.
Sí.
No hay problema. Está bom.
Muchas gracias.
Estamos juntos.
Muchas gracias.
Obrigado.
When in Rome, do as the Romans do. When in Cuba, you drink rum as there was no mañana. Now, speaking of rum, we couldn't leave Havana without visiting Havana Club. We took a guided tour in Spanish where we learned how rum is made, from fermentating sugar molasses to distillation and aging in barrels. Honestly, the tour itself was a bit dull and didn't quite hold our attention, but the ending was totally worth it. Check it out.
Por Cuba, Portugal, saúde.
Obrigado. Sí.
Familia, Portugal. Saúde. 7 anos.
Este é 7 anos? 7.
That's it for today's video. In the next one, we'll be heading to Vinales, Cuba's very own cowboy land. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to drop a comment with your thoughts on Havana. We'll love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.